Welcome to Karan Nation. My name is Karan and I'm going to customize my new shoes with glow and dark. So let's start our video.
According to my concept, I purchased a new pair of shoes and the following materials shown on the screen. So here are my new shoes, you can see. Let's keep this box side and start working on my plan, in which I will cover only the lower section of my shoes, which I wanted to make glow in dark. And to make it glow, I am using glow in dark powder by Americos, which is an American brand. सो ये पाउडर मेरे पास पहले से पड़ा हुआ था, जो कि मैंने अमेज़ॉन से ऑनलाइन ऑर्डर किया था, एंड एट दैट टाइम इट कॉस्ट मी नियरली अबाउट 500 रुपीज़. लेट मी टेक दिस आउट फ्रॉम दिस पैकेट and I will show you how this powder works. I know many of you have questions in your mind about this powder, how it glows. So let me tell you guys. This powder glows because of a chemical reaction, which means this powder contains special substance called phosphorus, and phosphorus gives off visible light after being energized, which means if I take this powder under a light, it will start soaking up light for a while before it starts glowing in dark. अगर अभी भी किसी की समझ में नहीं आया तो don't worry guys, I will show you with this practical. Watch carefully. I am using my phone torch and I am placing this powder under my phone torch for few seconds. As you can see, this powder starts absorbing energy from my phone torch. Now I will turn off the lights and you can see it starts glowing. उम्मीद है कि सबको समझ आ गया होगा about how this powder glows. And now my plan is to mix this powder in paint, which I will apply on sole of my shoes in different layers, by which my shoe will start glowing in dark without using any LED lights or batteries. So which means I have really smart and creative mind. So without wasting any time, let's start mixing our paint. So जैसे कि I get very little area to paint, so I am mixing my paint and glow in dark powder on this spoon. So let's take this glow in dark powder. I am taking very little quantity. So take this on spoon, and I think this much will be enough for my both shoes. Now I will add Fevicol and start mixing them until both materials gets one. Take your time and mix the powder properly in Fevicol. As you can see guys, the powder gets into liquid form now. You can also add 1 or 2 drops of water just to make liquid consistency. Take your time and mix them properly so the both materials get one. As you can see, both materials mixed properly. So now it's time to add paint, in which I am using metallic pearl white acrylic paint. Let me show you the shade of my selected paint. So I will apply a little paint on this paper. So it is metallic pearl white paint. I selected this shade because it matches with the color of my shoe sole, which is white. And now I will take this paint on spoon and repeat the same step which I did before, which was mix the both materials until it get one. So I think it's mixed properly and our paint is ready. Let's test our paint in dark. But before turning off lights, let me tell you one more thing. While mixing this paint, the pigments got enough charge to glow in dark. So let's turn off all lights now. So our paint is glowing and it is looking so cool. I love this icy blue color shade. Give me high five, guys, as my recipe is successful and I'm very happy. So without wasting any time, now let me start applying paint on my shoes. Until that, you enjoy this time lapse of painting the shoes.
Turn the beat up now. Put your hands up. Turn the beat up now.
We got racks on top racks out here hustling, yeah, we get it. Stacks on top of stacks, y'all just talking, yeah, we live it. You see them diamonds shining, all that drip, got you living. They say they gon' run up on the boy, little bitch, you got shit twisted. Yeah, all y'all can get it. Rich boys is bag hoe, money all on stack dough. Picture shit right out the bando, we just pulling string like a banjo. Real niggas getting all the bands though. Fuck you got open hands for. Real bosses get it tenfold, yeah.
Off the ceiling, I'm looking like money, I'm looking like bags. Your hair blowing the wind, I'm blowing it fast. Throwing bands at these strippers, they just shaking their ass. In the back of the whip and I'm feeling like cash. Throw my hands off the ceiling, I'm looking like money, I'm looking like bags. Your hair blowing the wind, I'm blowing it fast. Throwing bands at these strippers, they just shaking their ass. This for them street boys on that ball shit, that stack bands, just to floss with and get all wins, no losses. All in, they put it all in for profit. I'm a street priest, the prophet. I done glowed up, boy, God's lit, you can't stop this. I'm starting 5, but I'm top 6, cause I'm all picks. Off bench, just ball, bitch. Fuck whoever y'all ball with. Shoot 2 threes like 2 threes, guarantee shit gon' fall in. Either fall back or fall in. We all wins, yeah. I'm looking like money, I'm looking like bags. Your hair blowing the wind, I'm blowing it fast. Throwing bands at these strippers, they just shaking their ass. In the back of the whip and I'm feeling like cash. Throw my hands off the ceiling, I'm looking like money, I'm looking like bags. Your hair blowing the wind, I'm blowing it fast. Throwing bands at these strippers, they just shaking their ass. Hands up, turn the beat up now. Put your hands up, turn the beat up now. Put your hands up. Turn the beat up now. Put your hands up. Turn the beat up now. In the back of the whip and I'm feeling like cash. Throw my hands off the ceiling, I'm looking like money, I'm looking like bags. Your hair blowing the wind, I'm I'm looking like money, I'm looking like bags. Your hair blowing the wind, I'm blowing it fast. Throwing bags at these strippers, they just shaking their ass.
It's almost done now, as I have created 3 coats of glow and dark paint. Now let's keep the brush aside. After completing my paint job, let's move on next step. Now I will need my blow dryer, which will be my hot air gun for this project. So इस hot air की heat के कारण paint properly settle down हो जाएगा surface पे, and इसके तीनों coats एक layer में settle हो जाएंगे. और इसी के साथ मैंने अपना फर्स्ट शू कस्टमाइज कर लिया है. प्लान्स के अकॉर्डिंग तो अब तक सब कुछ ही परफेक्टली जा रहा है. नाउ आई रीच्ड ऑन माय लास्ट स्टेप, विच इज टेस्टिंग. लेट्स सी द रिजल्ट इन डार्कनेस. लेट मी टर्न ऑफ द लाइट्स. वाओ, बहुत ही मस्त लग रहा है यार. एकदम सच्ची में दिल खुश हो गया. पूरी आर्टिस्ट वाली फील आ रही है इस वक्त. सो आप लोगों को कैसे लगा प्लीज़ कमेंट करके बताना. एंड इफ़ यू आर न्यू ऑन चैनल, गो एंड सब्सक्राइब.